I see the trees are moving the whole time as well. So when you look over there, right there, there's a monkey. There's one too.
We don't keep those that we're using for bad things and stuff, you know. So you get those traditional with horns and nails and stuff, you know.
There were 3, 4. Winter Ventures, our big trip starts tomorrow, and this is what we are looking at. Lovely rain. It will be a beautiful, beautiful adventure. But let's see how it will be in the rain. They predict rain for the whole weekend, but let's see how things go. Maybe it will be a very nice trip that we can go on. Let's see what tomorrow brings. We started the morning seeing beautiful sights on our way to Hartbeespoort. When we entered Gauteng, it started opening up and it took a turn for the better. As we were riding on the roads, you saw so many potholes. You can literally put a whole pot in a pothole. As we were riding, it just got worse. This is part of the road, and I mean, just look at the potholes. Incredible. We have a huge problem with those in South Africa. Wow. Looks beautiful. Here is the dam wall. Wow, look at that. Really nice. Beautiful. Sure. This is really beautiful. Wow. And here you go into the tunnel. What a beautiful way to start. Zo. Harties. Yo, lekker ding. It really is that good, huh? Wow. Dassie Palace.
Lucht weg. Hij komt. Dan is dit basis die kamer. Dit zijn stoel.
Ja, daar het toilet en alles.
Alle goeders in. Die andere kamer is hetzelfde, is dit groter, is een baksteengebouw. En is dat andere.
Hier is de prijs is?
700 terug. Ja.
350.
Ja, nee, ik denk hier is weg.
Ja, Fatima Iriana.
Ja, dat is voor die, ja, dat is wel hard.
Die is zeker.
Ja,
Ja.
nee, is zo.
Zijn die andere in de bier groter aftakken?
The wonderful night sounds. Okay, so today we are here in Chameleon Park. So I want to show you some traditional South African or African things that we normally see here every day, but this is going to be special. Let me show you around. Hello, hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Good on you, man.
Then take your test.
Okay, thank you. Hello, hello.
Take your time.
Okay, thank
go
you.
further?
Okay, I will do that. Thank you, sir. Oh, look at these African masks. African animals. Wow. Some beautiful things. Warthog. Wow, so nice. Baboons, meerkats, leopards.
This is traditional music. We call it tembera.
Tembera,
So you
okay.
used to play it like this. You know, there's marimba, the one that you use the sticks, like this one here.
Yeah.
On the side
Oh,
there,
yeah.
you use the sticks, but now this one you use the hand.
And when do the people play these ones? It's like
When they're having traditional ceremonies,
Okay.
like ceremonies, this is where they used to play them. Yeah.
okay, wow.
Celebration rains and stuff for a good harvest. This is what they used to be played. Yeah.
So there's like specific songs that you can play
If you
with
look,
these ones.
especially from Zimbabwe, if you look on the phone, traditional music from Zimbabwe, these are the ones they actually use.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm not very good on them.
No,
but
no,
this
no, I
is-
understand, but I mean, it's
yeah,
so
this
cool
is
to
exactly
just
what
play
they use.
these things.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is what exactly they use. Yeah.
And the different patterns, do they symbolize something or?
Yes,
just
it used to
different-
symbolize their tribes.
Okay.
So when they meet as a group, these colors they represent certain people, and then this is how they used to be. Yeah.
So this instrument is originally from Zimbabwe.
From Zimbabwe, yes. This is
Okay.
where they used to play them, yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
wow.
and the marimba, like those ones
Oh,
that
yeah,
use
yeah,
the
with
sticks,
sticks.
and they get the drum as well.
Wow. Let's say, for example, the masks. How long does it normally take to make like one?
No,
animal?
these ones we didn't make them for a long time.
Oh, is
so
it?
this collection that was coming, like these ones are Cameroon,
Okay.
West Africa,
Oh, from
yes,
Cameroon.
from Cameroon. They also used to put them to use them at that time as well.
Okay, wow.
So they're all from different places.
So what do the different masks mean? Is there a meaning behind the masks?
Yeah, like these ones. You see, like these ones.
Yes.
These are passport.
Okay.
Passport mask. So now what used to happen today, we use, like now modern, we use your normal passport when you travel. But a long time they used to use colors on the faces. So when they meet as a group, they'll identify each other by the colors.
Okay.
So they use our normal clay, you know, they paint
yeah?
their faces and stuff. Yeah.
So do they carry this around with them the whole time?
That time, no, not carry paint.
Oh, paint on the faces.
Yeah,
Okay,
yes, on
wow,
the faces.
wow, okay.
Yes, but now it's not happening anymore, you know. But
Really, that's a shame.
yeah,
man.
it's
That's
long,
so-
long time.
wow.
And these are coming from Malawi. Like
wow.
these ones, these are Malawi with a big fat. These are just your normal. You know, we don't keep those ones they used to use for rituals and stuff.
Yeah,
we
yeah,
just
yeah.
keep things that you can keep in the house. You
course.
don't want to use things that, you know, they're dead.
Yeah. My grandparents used to have masks like this as well in their houses as well, and I never knew why they had
What
them.
it was for. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, these were just for, you know, we don't keep those that we're using for bad things and stuff, you know, we just want to, because you want to keep it in the house, you don't want.
When you say bad things, like what kind of bad things do the people use it for?
Like voodoo, you know, things
Oh,
when,
voodoo,
yeah, you know, long time how it
Or like
is.
witchcraft.
Yeah, something like that, yeah. So you get those traditional with horns and
Oh,
nails and stuff,
yeah,
you know.
yeah.
So we don't keep those, you know.
And then the good ones, you say there's bad ones and good ones. What
Yeah,
is
so
the
these
good
are
one?
all what's the reason for celebration.
Yeah.
There's a good harvest, you celebrate, you know. There are marriage, custom marriages things, you know, where the good things happening amongst you. Those are the ones that we only keep, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, this is all Zimbabwe as well. Yeah. So in fact in Zimbabwe, that's where you get the best artists working on like carvings and every stuff. You get like the stone carvings, you get the wood carvings, you know. Yes. So it's something quite different. See, this is your normal ostrich egg.
Yeah.
This is how it is. Now on this one, it's hand done, like
Okay.
this one. So you send it and do the art on it. Because this is delicate, you need to be very, very careful when doing the art. Now this one is decoupage, where you stick a picture on it.
Okay.
Yes, on top of the egg.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is more like handmade.
Yes,
this
this
is like
this is more of sticker.
Okay.
But because people they have different places where they want to put
yeah.
depending on the colors of their house, then that's why we do them on different ones. Yes.
Okay, my friend, I will come back.
Okay, I hope to see you.
I
man.
appreciate it, and thank you for
All right,
educating
thank you.
me
Okay,
about
thank you. Enjoy your day.
your
We'll
wonderful
see you when
shop.
you're almost leaving.
I will. Thanks.
bye.
Have a good one. Wow, so interesting to learn about this beautiful country. We'll have a look at some more places here, explore. So they also have these beautiful African animals, like for example, elephant. I forgot the name now. And then lions, some more with different ones, and they make these ones with these little beads. And you can put them in your house to decorate them. And these ones are made with wire, but this is a zebra. Wow. I would love to have something like this. This is so creative. Just imagine how much time and effort they take into making these things. Like even have like a little crocodile here, or not little. Look at the detail. It's amazing. Just with wires. Hello. You can see some unique attire. Beautiful bags. How are you, my friend?
I'm alright, my
Good,
friend.
thank you.
This is my small little corner.
Wow, it's beautiful. You have a lot of beautiful little animals here, man.
Thank you so much.
Where do you
They're
get them
made
from?
different types of rocks.
Okay,
They're made from my home country,
okay.
Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe, okay.
Yes, yes. Are you acquainted with the Big Five?
Yes, I know the big five. No, I'm from South Africa.
You're from South Africa.
I'm from
Okay,
South
good.
Africa, so.
Good. Well, I
But you
see
can maybe,
I see you putting on Nigerian.
I mean, I love all African countries as well, so that's why.
You're my man. You're my man.
Yes.
Yeah.
So all of the people that make these works of art, do they do them? It's handmade, all handmade,
Handmade.
right? And then are they from Zimbabwe or where?
Zimbabwe.
Are they from? Okay.
These pieces is
Okay.
Zimbabwean work.
Always Zimbabwe.
This is lapidolite, the purple one. Lapidolite is in the amethyst family. The white one is dolomite. Dolomite, the
Okay.
elephants and the crocodiles.
And what about the other pieces? Where did they come from?
These ones.
No, like the ones over there, yeah.
It's also Zimbabwe, but different artists. Some they're using different types of woods.
Okay.
There is that's Kiat wood, the giraffes.
Oh yes.
And then the dark wood, it's
The dark
lead wood.
Okay. These ones, right?
Yes.
Wow.
That's lead.
Is this wood?
Yes. That's
Sure. Wow. So all of these you make yourself, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm making here, like see now I'm making the tongue. I'm just busy with the lion.
Wow.
So
Oh
tongue
wow.
will go inside
Okay,
there,
tongue will go inside.
and I'll
Wow.
do the mane. So
How-
I make different animals.
How long does it take to make, for example, let's take the line. How long does it take to make?
3
some-
days.
3 days.
3 days.
Sure.
Yeah, different animals.
This is an oryx, right?
Yes.
Oryx and then springbok.
Yeah, springbok, I've got the zebra.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got the lion and the buffalo.
Sure, the line is beautiful.
Yeah.
Sure.
And this one is the Nguni cow.
Sorry, what?
Nguni.
Nguni.
Cow, yeah.
Oh, cow.
Yeah.
Okay, now I know what you're talking about.
The vibe.
Oh, these ones are nice.
Yeah.
And this is made from can, right?
Cans, yes.
Cans.
And that's the chopper.
Sure.
The chopper, the baki,
Mhm. Jack Boxy, yeah. Sure.
Different.
And these ones you also make yourself?
Yes.
Wow.
I do the framework, then I cover it with cans. There's a bit of
Wow. So nice. Oh, it even has doors.
Yeah.
It's been opened. Wow.
There you go, the
Wow.
spare wheel, everything.
Sure.
Ready to go.
Wow. I believe and I know that Africans are the most creative people in the whole world. When you see these things, then you will definitely agree with me. Because I mean, just look at what they can make with their hands. It's really special. And most of these things they come from Africa too. This is where we'll be camping tonight. We are at number 6. The bike is over there. You can set up here and just unwind here in nature with the mosquitoes and the birds. Just relax. I was looking over there and I see the trees are moving the whole time as well. So when you look over there, right there, there's a monkey. There's a few over there. There's one too. I wonder what is going to happen later tonight. Hopefully they don't come here. As you may or may not know, in South Africa we don't have camping chairs. So we have to improvise. So the best way for us to sit down is to use bricks. So this is my chair. And this is where I will have my cup of tea and my lunch. With the cow noises in the back, the monkeys running around here, there's nothing better than this, I guess. What is better than this? Can you tell me? Nothing. I forgot to buy a bottle of water. I still have this water, so we will use this. So this is how we make our cups of tea and coffee in South Africa. All you do is you put this in your mouth. Okay, so now I have to do that for all of the sips that I want. So I probably want about 15 sips. So I have to do this 15 times. 1. 15. Okay, I'm ready. Let's boil the water. So the proper way to do it is just to pour the water. This is the fancy way, but I mean, who likes to do it the fancy way? I like spit and tea. Much better than this. But we have to be proper, do it the right way, I guess. This is the tea that we have. I know a lot of people told me like, you have your bags, you have your bags. You have your tea in bags? Yes, we have our tea in bags, and this is how we drink it. So all you do is you just throw it in, you add your hot water or spit water or whatever water you want. If you want to be fancy, I mean, it's up to you. That's not a problem. There we go. Wow, looks so lekker. Another thing that also was mentioned to me before, like sometimes, like normally South Africans don't drink their tea without milk, but we drink ours with milk. And I mean, it's optional. For me, sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. It's up to you. And then sugar or honey, that is the normal way of doing it. We have it with spit tea. Lekker spit tea. Let's taste to see if it's ready and how good it really is. Oh, too hot. Too hot. Well, what do I expect? It's boiling hot water. Good morning to you too. It is a beautiful new morning here in Hartbeespoort Dam. Ooh. It started to pour at 3 a.m. so that is why it looks like this, but it looks like it's opening up. And we were supposed to go hiking, but with the rain, and I don't know if it's still gonna continue to rain, maybe we will do that for another trip. But let me quickly let me show you how it looks, what it looks like outside. It's still so beautiful. And there's our tent that got a little bit wet, but a beautiful start to the morning. And let's see what today will bring us winter adventures. And I decided to go on a hike. We will have a guide that will show us all of the different animals, because he says there's a lot of wild animals here. So let's wait for our guide, and then we can head out to see maybe some of the big five. I didn't get your name.
First one.
First one, okay,
Yes.
okay. What is the best part about working here?
The best, just like me, I'm a cleaner. Yeah. So when the people come, I just clean everything, but like catering to make the bedding inside in the tent.
Okay.
To clean everything for the customer.
And how long have you been working here?
Now it's 8 years.
8 years?
Yes.
Wow. You must really love this place.
Yes, yeah.
I can understand why. As we were hiking, we started talking about life in Malawi and his family. He told me that there was a cyclone that displaced 500,000 people in Malawi. But probably the government will help the people.
Yes, he's starting to give some stuff.
Okay, yeah. I think Malawi is probably a great country.
Yes, sir.
But I haven't been there yet.
Oh.
Yeah. So why did you come here? Is it difficult to find work there, or?
The problem is money, because here now I can try maybe to give the people for maybe 3-4 school fees.
Oh yes, yes.
Yeah, so I'm still paying my sister,
Yeah.
my cousin, and my daughter's school fees.
Wow, so you're supporting your whole family?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. So here it's better. When I get the salary, I can try to support that people.
And how often do you go back to Malawi?
Now it can take maybe 2-3 years, because my people is still going to school. So when I go home, maybe I can start to come back so that we can You can't reach to go to the school.
Yeah, that's important for them.
Yeah. So I need to try. When he try to finish that paper, maybe I can go to see him.
Okay, wow.
Yeah.
So maybe in this year you can go back to Malawi?
But next year.
Next year? Oh.
Yes.
It must be extremely difficult to be away from your family,
Yeah.
work in another country.
Yeah, but it's the problem. Maybe must try to fix something so
Yeah,
it will be better.
yeah. Yeah, you can see it. There it goes. There's two of them. Wow, there's another one.
Yes.
Wow. Oh, three.
4.
Four.
Yes.
Oh, there's the fourth one.
Yes. I don't know where is another one.
Stunning animals. There they go. Wow.
It's the spider.
It's big,
Yes.
sure. And scary. How many animals do you have in total on the farm?
It's too much animals.
Oh, really?
because,
Okay,
yes,
that's
we got
good.
almost maybe 48 zebra.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, 6 giraffe.
Mm.
Very best, almost 84. Springbok is 56.
Sure, it's a lot of animals.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Do people come here to hunt the animals?
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. And there you have it. That is the end of our hike. We just got back now. It was a wonderful experience. And if you want to come here too, you can look in the description for the link of this place. And then maybe if you want to, you can come too. You can have a wonderful tour guide just like him. Heading back, this happened. This is what it looks like from my point of view. Here, so many beautiful things. There are people making out there, having a good time. It's amazing, right? And the other side. This is the other side. Beautiful, right? Yeah. Let's see it from the sky. There you have it, Tonder Adventures. That is the end of our Hartbeespoort Dam adventure here. If you want to see more adventures here in South Africa on the bike or wherever you want to see, if you have a specific idea of where you want me to go, please leave it in the comments. And then I will do my best to go to that location. Alright, Tonder Adventures, I will see you in our next episode. Have a lekker one. And remember, you will always find a way. No matter what. Lekker.